1. Ice Cube Facial. Instant Glow Hack. DIY trick. Take green tea or rose water, pour it into an ice cube tray, and freeze it. Rub the ice cube on your face every morning for a natural glow, reduced puffiness, and tighter skin. Why it works. Ice tightens pores, reduces puffiness, and green tea fights acne. Try this hack for 7 days and show the results in a before-after comparison. 2. Coffee Scrub for Baby Soft Lips. DIY trick. Mix 1 teaspoon coffee powder plus 1 teaspoon honey plus 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Gently scrub your lips for 2 minutes and rinse. Why it works. Coffee removes dead skin, honey hydrates, and coconut oil makes lips soft. Test it on dry lips and show instant results in real time. 3. The Toothpaste and Aloe Vera Eyebrow Growth Trick. DIY trick. Mix a pea-sized amount of toothpaste with aloe vera gel and apply it to your eyebrows with a cotton swab. Leave for 10 minutes, then wash off. Repeat daily for thicker brows. Why it works. Aloe vera promotes hair growth, and toothpaste contains mild ingredients that stimulate follicles. Compare before and after results after 7 days. 4. Potato Juice for Dark Circles 5-minute fix. DIY trick. Grate a potato, squeeze out the juice, and soak cotton pads in it. Place them under your eyes for 10 minutes. Why it works. Potato has natural bleaching agents that lighten dark circles. Do a one-eye test and show results immediately. 5. DIY Rice Water Hairspray for Crazy Hair Growth. DIY trick. Soak 1/2 cup of rice in water overnight. Strain it and use the water as a hair rinse after shampooing. Why it works. Rice water is rich in amino acids and vitamins that boost hair growth. Show a side-by-side hair growth comparison over 14 days. 6. DIY Natural Blush. Beetroot Magic. DIY trick. Take beetroot juice, mix it with a few drops of coconut oil, and apply it to your cheeks for a natural pink glow. Why it works. Beetroot gives a natural rosy tint without chemicals. Show the difference between chemical blush versus DIY beetroot blush. 7. Banana Peel Teeth Whitening Trick. DIY trick. Rub the inside of a banana peel on your teeth for 2 minutes, then brush normally. Why it works. The minerals in banana peel help whiten teeth naturally. Try it for 1 week and show real results. 8. Egg White Face Lift. Instant tight skin. DIY trick. Whisk 1 egg white and apply it to your face for 10 minutes. Wash off to reveal firm, lifted skin. Why it works. Egg whites tighten skin and shrink pores instantly. Do a half face test to show instant lifting effect.